Hey y'all, today we've got some PCV grommets. Mr. Gasket part number 6379. These here are going to a Mr. Ramsey A out of Fairfield, Ohio. He lives on Dixie Highway. We need to make us a road trip to Dixie Highway and travel it. Anyhow, here's your sticker for our main channel, Dixie Customs. This is going to be on Dixie Customs Extra. Beth wrote you a note on the back side. If you don't mind, check the channel out. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. We're going to get this mailed off to you. Don't know when you'll get it because all this holiday mailing and package stuff is getting crazy. So we'll get this sent out to you, and you should receive it sometime before the first of the year. Hopefully. And we do appreciate your order. Get your project underway. Hope to see you out there just on the streets sometime at some of the car shows. So there you go. We'll get this mailed off to you. And we appreciate your business and look forward to doing business with you in the future. So have a Merry Christmas. Catch you on the next one.